Hello friends, this is Gangadhar from Maths Ganga. This is another question asked in Advanced 2019 paper 1. The question is related to the differential equation with the information related to a curve given in the question. First we need to frame an equation, differential equation, and then we need to solve that equation. See, here are the options and we need to check which of the given options are correct. Right? So the question is about a curve and the curve is denoted by gamma. Y is equals to f of x. As they mentioned, the curve is in first quadrant as well as 1 comma 0 lies on the curve. Let the tangent to the curve at a point P intersect y-axis at some yp. Also they mentioned the length of PYP is 1. Then which of the following are correct? With this given information, first I will try to frame a differential equation. So with that, I will announce either B or D as one of our option. And then by solving that differential equation, our answer will be, our another option will be A or C. So first of all, take a curve y is equals to f of x and an arbitrary point P on that curve, and we need to go with the tangent of that curve. For suppose y is equals to f of x is a curve and let some P x comma y be a point of the curve. If P x comma y is a point of the curve, then what will be the tangent equation? The tangent equation will be y minus y is equals to m into x minus x. So this x and y are the variables, whereas the small x and y is an arbitrary point of the curve. M is the slope of the tangent. See, since m is the slope of the tangent, what we do? Actually, m is the differentiation of the given curve. Okay? Right. So y minus y is equals to m into x minus x, where m is slope of tangent. So what is the slope of tangent? Slope of tangent is dy by dx of the curve y is equals to f of x at this point. Right? See, now what we need to go? We need to move with the PYP length as 1, where YP is the where the tangent intersects y-axis. Since this tangent is intersecting y-axis at a point YP, for that YP, the coordinate of x is 0. On y-axis, x coordinate is 0. So if you replace x with 0, then what is the value of y? So x is 0, then y will be minus mx and then plus y. So that will be y minus mx. Here this capital Y and capital X is a point on the curve. See the variables. So that x must be 0 and y is y minus mx. So the coordinates of yp are 0 comma y minus mx. The length PYP is 1. P is a point x comma y. YP is the point 0 comma y minus mx. And the distance between these two is given as 1. And the square of the distance is also 1. So since PYP is equals to 1, I will write that x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or in this way or in that way. Then it will be m square x square is equals to 1. So x square plus m square x square is equals to 1. So from this we have that m square is equals to 1 minus x square by x square. Okay, see, but actually what is m? M is the slope of the tangent. It means it's derivative of the given curve. Okay, so m square is 1 minus x square with x square. M square, m is the slope, since it's a real number, m square is always positive. So 1 minus x square with x square must always positive. Whenever it is positive, if 1 minus x square is positive. So 1 minus x square positive in the sense x square minus 1 is negative and x is in the range of minus 1 to 1. So since m square is positive, this has to be positive, the numerator has to be positive, x square minus 1 has to be negative. So the value of x is in the range of minus 1 to 1. But as they mentioned, the curve is in first quadrant. From this we have to conclude that the values of x are in between 0 and 1. Okay, that means the graph, the curve, gamma, y is equals to f of x completely lies in the range of 0 to 1. As x varies from 0 to 1, then in that range only, in that region only, the curve y is equal to f of x exists. Okay, so what I did here. So till now, I took a point p x comma y on the curve, and its tangent equation is this one, where x and y are the variables, small x comma y is an arbitrary point of the curve, and m is the slope of the tangent. They mentioned that yp is the point where the tangent intersects y-axis. So the coordinates of yp are this one. Also they mentioned that the length pyp is 1. So the length pyp is 1. From there I have m square value as 1 minus x square by x square. Since m square is positive, this must be positive. From this, the range of x is in between 0 and 1. Now we need to identify the property, the behavior of the curve in this region. See, there are different situations, different constraints on the curve. The curve lies in the first quadrant. The curve passes through the point 1 comma 0, and the values of x are in between 0 and 1. With all these constraints, I will estimate the curve as like this. See, the curve must be in the first quadrant. The curve must passes through the point 1 comma 0, as they mentioned. The value, the range of x is in between 0 and 1, so the curve must be in this region. Okay, so in this region only the curve has to be, and that it must pass through 1 comma 0, so surely the curve will be like this. Since the curve is like this, it's a decreasing curve. It's a decreasing curve. Since it's a decreasing curve, its derivative is negative. Its derivative negative means m is negative. Since m is negative, since m square is 1 minus x square by x square, then we will write that m is equals to minus root of 1 minus x square by x square. Actually here we have two chances. M is plus or minus root of 1 minus x square by x square. So what we need to consider? Either plus or minus, or only plus or only minus. To decide that one, we observe the nature of the curve. The curve is lies in the first quadrant, passes through 1 comma 0, and the range of x is in between 0 and 1. With these constraints, we confirmed that the curve is a decreasing function. Since the curve is decreasing, its slope is negative. So the value of m is root of 1 minus x square by x square. Right? So since now I have m is equals to root of 1 minus x square by x square. But what is m? M is dy by dx. dy by dx is nothing but y dash. So dy by dx is y dash. So y dash is equals to, what I have that? Minus root of 1 minus x square by x square. Right. So y dash is equals to minus root of 1 minus x square by x. Root x square is x. X is in the range of 0 to 1, mod x is x. So if you rearrange this, we have that xy dash plus root of 1 minus x square is equals to 0. So xy dash plus root of 1 minus x square is equals to 0. So option D is our choice, but option B is not our choice because we are using minus sign here. Right? So with the given problem, with the given constraints on the curve, we have a differential equation related to the curve as xy dash plus root of 1 minus x square is equals to 0. By solving this differential equation, we will get the curve y. Okay, then we may get either option A or C. So how can we have to solve? So from this, I have finally that y dash is equals to minus root of 1 minus x square by x, or root of 1 minus x square by x, like that. See, this is y dash is nothing but dy by dx, and I will write that dy is equals to this value of dx. Then if you apply integration on both sides, this integral of dy is y, so minus root of, we have to solve this one. So to solve this one, you just take that x is equals to some sine theta. If x is equals to sine theta, root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus sine square theta is cos theta. So cos theta divided by sine theta into derivative of x. Derivative of sine theta is cos theta. So cos theta d theta. So again this is equals to minus root of cos square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. No, 1 minus sine square theta divided by sine theta d theta. So this is equals to minus integral of 1 minus sine theta is cosec theta minus sin square theta by sin theta is sin theta of d theta. So this is again equals to minus integral of cosec theta is log of cosec theta, okay, minus cot theta, and then minus of minus plus integral of sin theta is what? Integral of sin theta is cos theta d theta. Okay, see, then how can I have to derive integral of sin theta? Yeah, so then I have sin theta as x, then replace cos theta with root of 1 minus x square. See, this is minus of minus plus and integral of sin theta is minus, no? So this is minus cos theta. So since x is sin theta, replace cos theta with root of 1 minus x square. Since x is sin theta, replace cosecant theta with 1 by x. And since x is sin theta, and then you need to replace the value of cot theta also. By replacing all this, you will get what? An option for this one. Okay, then how can I have to? I am going to erase this one. So I have integral dy is equals to this. I will take x is equals to sin theta. So this minus root of cos theta by sin theta into cos theta d theta. So cos square theta 1 minus sin square theta cosecant theta minus sin theta. Okay, and then yeah, this is minus log cosecant theta minus cot theta. I will rewrite it as log of cosecant theta plus cot theta also, because cosecant theta minus cot theta is nothing but 1 by cosecant theta plus cot theta. So this is, from this I have that y is equals to log of cosecant theta plus cot theta minus cos theta. Okay, so plus some integration constant. We have that log of cosecant theta as 1 by x plus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta, nothing but 1 by root 1 minus x square by x minus root 1 minus x square plus c, and this is y. And then to find the value of the integration constant c, I will use the point 1 comma 0. At x is equals to 1, y is 0. So at point 1 comma 0, what I have, y value is 0 and the value of x is 1, logarithm of 1 plus, since x is 1, this is 0, minus that is also 0 plus c, again log 1 is also 0, and we have that c as 0. Since c is 0, from this finally what I have, therefore y is equals to logarithm of 1 plus root of 1 minus x square by x minus root of 1 minus x square plus c. So from this it is very clear that option A is also one of our choice, option D is also one of our choice. So these two are the correct options and these two are the wrong options. And the key role plays in this problem is deciding that m has negative sign. M is equals to minus root of 1 minus x square by x square. And after framing the differential equation, the way of solving the differential equation is very simple. And then finally we have these two as our correct options. So this is another question asked in JEE Advanced 2019. Thank you.